Imagine opening your closet and realizing you're not looking at old clothes at all. You're looking at dozens of creative projects waiting to happen. Today, I'm sharing 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas, and some of these transformations are so inventive, stylish, and unexpected that they might completely change the way you think about the clothes you already own. I discovered all of these amazing ideas while exploring Pinterest, and they're filled with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning, DIY fashion, and turning everyday garments into something fresh and exciting. As you watch, keep a mental list of your favorites because I want you to vote for your number one pick in the comments. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can save these ideas, revisit them anytime, and discover even more creative inspiration. Some of these transformations are surprisingly simple, while others are so imaginative you'll hardly believe they started as ordinary clothing. My personal favorite is number 27, so make sure you stay until you see that one, because I think it's one of the most creative ideas in the entire collection. One thing I love about upcycling is that it reminds us creativity isn't about having more, it's about seeing more in what we already have. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on MIZ Angela Sawyer. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, start choosing your favorites, and let's jump into these 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas to see which amazing transformations inspire you the most. Every closet holds more than clothing. It holds ideas that simply have not been discovered yet. Most of us open the closet and immediately decide what we will wear, what no longer fits, or what should probably be donated. But creativity asks us to do something completely different. It asks us to pause before making that decision. And here's something worth thinking about. What if the most exciting project you'll ever create is already hanging on a hanger, waiting for you to notice it? That single question changes everything. Instead of seeing an old shirt, we begin noticing soft fabric, interesting seams, unique patterns, or colors that could work beautifully in an entirely new way. Suddenly, a garment that felt ordinary begins to feel full of possibilities. The beauty of upcycling clothing isn't just that it gives garments another life. It's that it teaches us to look beyond first impressions. Every time we choose to take a second look, we strengthen our ability to imagine something different. Our minds naturally begin connecting ideas that didn't seem related before. A sleeve becomes a design feature. A pocket becomes an accent. A forgotten piece of fabric becomes exactly what another project needed. And once that way of thinking starts, it becomes surprisingly difficult to stop. You begin opening your closet with curiosity instead of routine. You wonder what stories haven't been finished yet, and what ideas are still waiting to be uncovered. That simple shift makes creativity feel exciting because there is always another possibility hiding in plain sight. An unfinished idea isn't incomplete because it lacks value. It's unfinished because it hasn't met your imagination yet. Every creative project begins with someone seeing potential where other people simply saw an old piece of clothing. Perhaps that's why upcycling feels so satisfying. It reminds us that extraordinary things often begin with an ordinary second look. And once you begin thinking that way, your entire wardrobe starts to feel different. Clothes are no longer just something you wear. They become opportunities to experiment, learn, and express your own ideas. One successful project naturally leads to another because creativity has a wonderful way of building momentum. Every finished transformation gives you the confidence to wonder what else is possible. And here's something fascinating. The more often you practice seeing hidden potential in clothing, the more easily you begin recognizing hidden potential everywhere else. Creativity becomes less about sewing and more about developing a habit of looking beyond the obvious. You stop focusing on limitations and begin asking better questions. What could this become? What happens if I combine these ideas? Is there another solution I haven't considered yet? Those questions keep your imagination active long after the sewing project is finished. That is one of the greatest gifts upcycling clothing has to offer. It teaches us that inspiration is often much closer than we think. It reminds us that remarkable ideas don't always require remarkable materials. Sometimes they simply require someone willing to look one more time. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description, where you'll find techniques and creative projects to help you continue developing your sewing skills. The next time you open your closet, don't just look for something to wear. Look for the unfinished ideas waiting quietly for your imagination to bring them to life. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.